it's Taya back with another video, and today's video was actually inspired by a fellow YouTuber here on YouTube. Her name is Hazel Goddess, but I think her real name is Celia. I hope I'm saying that right. And she started these, I don't know if she started it or she actually just did one. Maybe she saw it on YouTube, but I think she said it's been going around YouTube. So anyway, I saw her Mask Monday videos and I was inspired to do it because you guys know I love to deep condition. So I was like, yeah, that's something I could definitely do. Normally I do my deep condition in the shower. You know, I like to try to get my wash day in and out, make it real quick. But I decided that since I like to deep condition, it's like one of my favorite things to do, why not go ahead and share it with you guys here on my channel. So with all that being said, I am going to be using the SheaMoistures. What is this? The Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair protein power treatment line. So I've used it before, so I really kind of have high hopes for this. And what I'll try to do is, if you guys want me to use like some other deep conditioners that I have not used, let me know. If you guys want me to use like all my favorites, just let me know. I'm open. I'm just trying something new. Like I said, it was inspired by another YouTuber and I just thought it was a really cute idea, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out myself. So starting off with the smell, it smells like it says honey and yogurt. It's a really good smell. There's no sulfates in here, no parabens, no mineral oil. It's not tested on animals, and I think that's most of SheaMoisture's product. I don't think you can get it anywhere else besides Ulta, and Ulta's pretty popular, so you should have one near you if you want to get your hands on it. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite masks for Mask Monday. I just thought it was a really cute series, so I wanted to show you guys what I do for my deep condition. This one has the ingredients are the Manuka honey, the yogurt extract, and the myrrh oil. So those are like the three key ingredients that it has in it. The three main ingredients that it has in it. And it's really thick, you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera like how thick it is. It's like a really thick product, and you guys know I love thick and creamy products, so this is right up my alley. Smells good. So my hair is it's been really dry, and I hadn't conditioned it or washed it in a few weeks, and I got sick. I had an episode, a little mild, I don't know if it was mild, but I had a crisis. So this is what my hair is looking like, you guys. I just washed it fresh out of the shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. I just wanted to take it down so you guys can see. So I'll go ahead and put this side back up. You guys know I like to deep condition in sections, so I'm gonna put that one back up. So yeah, what have you guys been up to? What have you guys been doing? Comment down below if you had a good weekend. I mostly just rested. Like I said, I had a little bit of a rough last week. I was in the hospital, but it's all good. I'm back. You know, the devil, he be trying it sometimes, y'all. He be trying to get you down, but you just gotta be like, no, devil, I ain't got your time. And yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of wet it. If you guys are wondering where I got this spray bottle from, you guys should check out Sally's they have some really great spray bottles. They're really nice 360 spray bottles that are really inexpensive for cheap. I mean, yeah, they're cheap. So I'm just gonna be taking about a glob, and as you guys can see, this mask is like so thick. Like this is the consistency. Like I said, it smells bomb. So I'm just gonna be starting off at the top, working my way down. Normally I start off at my ends and work my way up, but it really just depends on how I feel. I'm just kind of doing it however today, guys. And this deep conditioner is so nice. You guys see how it melted in my hair? Like, yo, look at that. Okay, deep conditioner, I see you. So yeah, I'm just working that in. And you really don't need a lot, you guys. That's one thing I will say about this particular deep conditioner. You don't need a lot. Like, I literally just took like a little glob. I'm just taking like a little bit more just to make sure that my ends are nice and coated, because you guys know that's the oldest part of your hair. And you guys know I always tell you to make sure you coat them ends, girl. Make sure you get them ends. And I'm just getting my little baby hairs in the back right here. I got these like little baby hairs back here. I don't know why they are so thick back here, but anyway, I'm just getting those. And so yeah, so that's nice and coated. I don't feel like I need more. And again, you don't really need too much. So that's what I kind of really love about this deep conditioner. When I saw it come out, I kind of did want to try the whole line, but honestly, I'm just really mostly into deep conditioner. So I feel like if I like the deep conditioner, that'll kind of let me know if I want to try the whole entire line out. So with this, I was just like, you know what, let me just get my hands on a deep conditioner. I heard good things about like the shampoo and the balm that they had by this line, but I was like, I make my own DIY shea butter. I don't really know if I need that balm, if I really need the balm. And the shampoo, I feel like shampoo is so, not basic, but I just feel like shampoo, you can kind of get that, you can kind of, I don't really care like what type of shampoos I use in my hair. Honestly, guys, I'm not really into like shampoos. I'm more into like deep conditioners. So conditioner and shampoo, they cool or whatever, but give me a good deep conditioner and I'm with it. So yeah, so that's the first section. I'm gonna go ahead and twist that up and move on to the next. I'm just gonna do the same thing, just spray my hair down with a little bit more water, since it did kind of dry up since I got out the shower. I really love this spray bottle, guys. It's like so easy to, the water comes out so easily. My hair is so thick, you guys. If you guys have really thick hair like me, then just split your hair when applying, you know, product. People always say, how do you, even my aunt was asking me yesterday, she's like, oh my god, I don't know about this natural thing. I'm so happy that she went natural though, but she's like, I don't know about this natural thing. How do you, it was so easy to comb my hair when I was relaxed. was like, well, how are you combing your hair? And she's like, well, I mean, I'm like, are you just trying to take the comb and just go through it like from root to tip without sectioning it? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, no, you don't comb natural hair like that, girl, bad. Like, you need to section it. Like, how are you gonna get through all of that hair? So anyway, I said all that to say, like, make sure you are sectioning your hair when you're trying to comb it. You can't just be trying to comb through no natural hair like that, girl. Don't work like that. You see all of this hair? I ain't gonna start from here and try to comb all the way down. Anyway, I just thought that was funny when she was telling it to me. But yeah, so far, back to the mask. I like it. I mean, like I said, it's nice and thick and creamy. You don't really need that much. Take about that much for this section. And I'm just applying it on. And yeah, see how like thick it is? But like watch in a second how it just like melts into my hair. And that's what I love about it. Like, even though it's nice and thick, it melts right into the hair. So just take a little bit more. And I like to put it all the way up. I know some people say, like, you know, just put it, focus on your ends. And I like to focus it on my ends too. But I really like to get all of my hair. So yeah, and that's it. And I just unravel the bottom, and that's that. So this is the half that has conditioner, and this half doesn't. So you can see how like the conditioner, I mean the deep conditioner, is giving my hair like some definition, and without it pretty much don't have any definition. It's just poofy. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue this side. I'm just gonna do this side, put this side away. Alright you guys, I'm pretty much done applying deep conditioner to my hair. So I'm just gonna take another scrunchie and just go ahead and put that. I forgot to, oh, there goes one right there. And just go ahead and put this in a scrunchie. And I just have this regular plastic bag. Just put it all on your head. Like a little smiley face on the bag. That's so cute. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer for like 15 minutes. I'm probably just gonna use like medium heat. I normally use medium to high heat, but I think I'm just gonna use medium heat today. And then I'm gonna rinse it out, and I'll be back to show you guys the results. Okay guys, I'm back out the shower. I forgot to tell you guys how much the deep conditioner costs, and I think it's around $11.99 to $13.99. Don't quote me, I'm not exactly sure the price, but I think it's around that. I can put it in the description box for you guys. Also, I can put this spray bottle in the description box for you guys, just in case you're wondering where I got it from. It's so cute and pink. And in case you guys were wondering, I think they sell them on Amazon as well, so you can always check that out. Just got out of the bathroom. I didn't get back in the shower, as you guys can tell. I did, however, get wet trying to wash my head in the bathroom sink with my little hose. It normally works, but hey, yeah. So let me back my camera up just a little bit so you guys can see my hair. And this is pretty much how it came out, you guys. Nice and soft, and my hair does get really frizzy if there's not like a lot of water or product in it. So yeah, and that's pretty much it, you guys, for this Max Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want more content like this here on my channel, then go ahead and hit that thumbs up or leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.